Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Oh yeah, we in the back of that Cadillac V motherfucker.
Yeah, like, what you gotta say, bro?
Shit, I need to get me one.
Nah,
I got. Oh shit! Oh yeah, that been moving.
Big ass truck moving. What the fuck?
But that shit feels smooth as fuck.
Oh god, like this bitch got no jerk.
This like my first time in some all-wheel drive fast shit.
God damn.
And then them verbals crazy.
Damn.
Nigga have brain damage with that snatch.
This hoe got a crazy ass snatch. What the fuck?
This bitch righteous sound like a whole ZL1. This bitch sound better.
Like just like they put a ZL1 motor in a fucking Escalade,
On
bro.
that thing.
Like bitch, back in the day, an Escalade was a slaughter car. they done put this bitch in a fucking. They done made it a luxury, and they done put a ZL1 motor in this hoe. Like what the fuck?
You might as well just lay your head on the headrest.
At this point,
Don't even
guys,
try to keep that bitch from goddamn.
oh wow.
Don't even try to fight the torque.
I'm gonna see if we can. Nigga, the camera might fly goddamn.
Oh god.
Oh shit! Man, and I think this nigga can adjust the sound on his car.
I'm taking this over a track on this.
Like this nigga can, like he can make his shit quiet. Like what the?
Yeah.
He could be smoking a nigga with his shit quiet. What the fuck?
Yeah, I feel the difference.
Yeah.
You gotta feel the snatch for it.
I can go two-wheel drive.
Oh, you can cycle between two-wheel and all-wheel?
Yeah.
Damn, that's hard. I ain't gonna lie, y'all.
Cause it's so goddamn smooth, but we floating.
This video supposed to be about some whole other shit. That shit made a whole turnaround.
Oh boy, like what the fuck?
Oh god. This a third person POV, goddamn. That shit got the shift lights on the wheel. All this shit. That shit come on the paper.
Listen to the verbal.
Yeah. I
Damn.
had to do shit to this bitch.
Got the panoramic roof.
Literally, it feel like we floating. Like, feel like we floating.
Oh god, it feel like we floating. Like I thought that bit was gonna feel like that bit was gonna be bouncy.
That shit too.
That bit
smooth.
That
Like
bit
this
smooth
bit
as
really
fuck.
fucking smooth. I still can't believe like GM did some shit like that. Like this was a slaughter car. Like this is a car that you will see and you will fear for your life.
Oh god.
Now it's like
Don't let that bit be bulletproof. Oh god.
but it's like nah nigga, this car will excite a nigga. Oh man. That shit crazy.
And we ain't get bothered about police yet.
Oh man, this whole low key.
Shit, I don't even think they gonna really fuck with this bitch. They gonna look at this bitch and be like, what the fuck?
No, this whole low key as
God.
fuck. I wouldn't either. They probably hear loud ass motor. Where is it coming from?
Oh shit, I may take and turn the screen on in a bit. So you can watch YouTube from the back seat, nigga. You
All the way.
bro, this
Got
shit
the
different.
nice
I ain't
ass
gonna
brakes.
cap.
Stop on the dime.
Oh my god, I don't even smell like the brake. It don't even smell like the brake hot. Usually when niggas be stopping, it be smell like.
them bitches.
I had the brakes. Oh, weak as fuck. Alright, I just leaned the seat back just a little bit because y'all
That's
can't see that whole
rip
snatch.
out
here.
On everything, you can see a nigga eating they boogers in the back of that rearview mirror. On God.
Massage my seat, your seat is a button. It's like a circle, bro. That you can goddamn massage yourself with.
Damn.
Niggas a cooler right here, nigga.
This nigga.
Well, it's a refrigerator.
Oh shit! But this
Who
bitch,
is gliding like oh god.
this that presidential
Slow
motherfucker.
down right here. Bro, fucked up right here. Oh god.
I know Donald Trump got one of these hoes on everything.
Man, I had hit one of those bumps right. I hit a bump right here on this street. Nigga, my radio cut off. I said, what? Hell no.
I ain't gonna lie, I hit a bump on that street too.
Man, that bitch cut the radio off. I said, damn.
I can't speak too much on it, but I definitely hit a bump on that street too.
That shit crazy. Bro, I ain't gonna count.
That shit was not good. Oh yeah. I need to go hang get rid.
Man, what? Nigga need to get rich as fuck by the bar.
Nigga got scared.
Like, you could dead ass scare a nigga in this hoe, bro. Like, nigga think you finna hit him. Slam on the brake. Bitch, that... Yo, kid, go. Damn!
Oh god, nigga sit back, nigga.
Oh, God.
You can't fight the torque in this hole.
On my soul.
Oh, God.
I'm finna sit up.
Dude, it be like a whole movie theater back this hole. It be got 4K screens in the back. Ah! But we going crazy down railroad. They better get the fuck out the way. Oh god.
On my soul. What the fuck?
But this bitch right here pressure, oh god. Nigga still don't smell no brakes. Oh! Nigga, I ain't gonna lie.
I like this video, bro. Like this bitch up, bro. Come on.
I'm low key sick as fuck in the stomach. This shit got mad with motion sickness like hell.
I'm sad now, cuz. This hoe just like the YB concert.
Oh
I still got
god.
a full tank gas.
Then this nigga, this shit crazy.
I still got a full tank gas.
Damn.
That shit crazy. Y'all ain't
Oh yeah, this the one right here.
like, I ain't even show y'all the screens in the back either.
On everything.
Cut, like you can, nigga, you can watch so much shit.
This right to the refrigerator, bro. This is my bottle.
Oh god, this nigga living the dream, bro. He
I
living.
bet you might be on child lock.
Oh yeah. I wonder what was going on. I was like, appreciate it.
Sometimes they be switching stuff, goddamn.
For real.
Yeah.
Let me give y'all niggas a walk around of that bit. On everything. Oh God, look. Y'all see that V motherfucker right now? Let me show y'all boy the brakes. Big 6-piston brakes, you feel me? What that noise is? Damn, that bitch come with goddamn asphalt. That bitch just pooted and squatted, goddamn. Yeah, this the one right here. Yeah, I gotta give me one of these. Hey, go ahead and like this video up so I can give me a goddamn Escalade V for New Year's, goddamn.
But that shit is white. Man, you should have got it, bro. You should have got it. I ain't even